Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how the HHS to cut off 10,000 staff in major restructuring under RFK Jr. They said Health Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. plans to dramatically reshape the department he leads through mass layoffs and consolidation of the sprawling agency that provides health insurance to tens of millions of Americans, responds to disease outbreaks, and regulates medical products. About 10,000 full-time employees at the Department of Health and Human Services will be let go under Kennedy's plans, which were announced Thursday morning. The planned terminations are in addition to roughly 10,000 or so employees who have already left the HHS through other Trump administration efforts, such as offers of early retirement. All told, the department will shrink in size about 25% to about 62,000 full-time employees. They say HHS will also centralize many functions that are currently spread out across the department, consolidating work involved in human resources, information technology, procurement, and policy. The number of HHS regional offices will be cut in half to 5, and the department's 28 divisions will be reduced to 15. This will be a painful period for HHS as we downsize, Kennedy said in tape comments posted to his official account on X. He said, quote unquote, we were keenly focused on paring away excess administrators while increasing the number of scientists and frontline health providers. As examples, Kennedy noted how across HHS, there are more than 100 communication offices, 40 IT departments, and 9 HR divisions. In many cases, they don't even talk to each other, he added. They mainly operate in silos. He said among the 15 consolidated divisions will be a new administration for Healthy America, which will merge several different offices and administrations into a new unit that handles issues like maternal and child health, HIV/AIDS, and environmental health. They say Kennedy, in throwing his support behind President Donald Trump during the election, has championed Make America Healthy Again movement, a broad politician coalition that focused on the rise of chronic disease in the United States. We weren't just reducing bureaucratic sprawl. We are realigning the reorganization with its core mission and our new priorities and reversing the chronic disease epidemic, Kennedy said in a separate statement. This department will do more, a lot more, at a lower cost to the taxpayers. He said cuts will fall heaviest on the Food and Drug Administration, with about 3,500 employees affected, according to the department fact sheet. These cuts would not impact. These cuts would not impact drug, medical, device, or food reviewers or agency inspectors. HHS said the policy compliance, down data collection, and regulatory staff are most at risk, as well as those jobs who might be centralized at HHS, wrote Stephen Grossman, the former executive director of the Alliance for a Stronger FDA and author of the blog FDA Matters. He noted that the distribution of the cuts remain unclear, however. He said the Center for Disease Control Prevention will lose about 2,400 employees, although it may gain about 1,000 staff currently employed at the Administration for Strategic Preparedness and Response, which the CDC will now absorb. They said the National Institutes of Health workforce will be reduced to 1,200 employees, while the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services will lose about 300 staff. According to HHS, the reorganization will save taxpayers $1.83 billion annually. Medicare, Medicaid, and other essential health services will remain intact, the agency said, although it didn't offer further details in its Thursday morning statement. The layoffs are mainly aimed at administrative positions as well as roles in high-cost regions or in areas that have been determined to be redundant or duplicative, according to an email sent from HHS to an employee union. Per the letter, employees could receive notices of termination as early as Friday, with layoffs effective in May. So pretty much right here, up under Robert Kennedy Jr. with this staff, they pretty much going to be cut at around 10,000. staff members and many other places going to be doing, so you definitely want to pay attention. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man. Spread thoughts up on this shit, light up on the situation. I felt the need that y'all had to hear this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. Don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, and subscribe. And the article will be in the description box. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.